Hi team. As a part of this NIA hackathon, NIA MetaBuild hackathon, me, Abhishek, and other team members, what we have tried to build an NFT marketplace, wherein like we have an auction house, we have a marketplace, and artists can come onto this marketplace. They can create their own NFTs and put it on the auction house. And once it's on auction house, basically the community gets a chance to vote on a specified or like vote on NFTs which they would like to get on the live auction, right? So once the voting happens, whichever NFTs get the highest number of votes, they would be moved to the marketplace, which is where it would be open for a period of 5 minutes or one day, or which can be customizable to a late, which can be customizable to a different time at a later point of time after this hackathon, right? The point is like you can put bids on this marketplace and it would get automatically closed after a specified amount of time, which at this moment is 5 minutes interval. But again, like I said, it can be configured to a one day or 1 week or to a significant amount of time based on the number of NFTs that we'll have on a marketplace, right? So we'll probably show a demo of the same, right, on the entire workflow of the auction house, on how the creators can come onto a platform and mint the tokens and move it to auction house and take it to market and can place bids and close the auction, right? The same flow we'll try to show as a part of this hackathon. Abhishek, if you can log in using the Connect wallet. So we try to log in using abhimore.2 testnet account. So once you are logged in, you have three tabs that are available to you. One is live auction, which is where the live auction actually happens using, and at any given point of time at live auction, there's only one token which appears, which is again chosen by the community, right? And upcoming tab is to specify like what are all the tokens which have been minted by different creators. And these are all the tokens which are up for voting for the community, right? So as you can see, each of the token has some sort of metadata, the name, description, vote option, and the minimum bidding amount or the reserve amount that you can call it. And along with it, the number of votes assigned to each of the token as well, right? And can you switch to the mint tab, Abhishek? Let's try to mint one of the tokens. Now the token has been minted and it is now showing up in the upcoming or the auction house place, right? Now the community can choose to vote on either this token or the any other token, right? Abhishek, if you can vote for this token. As you can see, the voting has been completed and the number of votes for this particular token has been increased to 1, right? So Abhishek, can you also switch to the Croncat tab once? So we have a couple of jobs scheduled already in using Croncat, wherein the two contracts we are calling close auction method, which actually closes live auction every 5 minutes as of now. And what it actually does is it just removes the token from the live auction and transfers the money back based to the highest bidder based on the highest bid, right? And transfers the token appropriately as well. Apart from that, we also have one more method called get highest voted, which periodically checks after the auction gets closed. It will check on the get highest voted, the highest voted token, and puts it back to the live auction. Right. So these are the two methods which have been called by Croncat. So if you can go back to marketplace, we can see the live auction if it has changed, not yet. So we can probably upvote vote more than the number of votes that 2972 token has, right? Now I think it has been voted again. Abhishek, can you click on the upcoming tab? The number of votes for this particular token is 2 now. I guess now the cron, I will wait for the croncat to call the get highest voted token, right? Now the croncat job has been called. Abhishek, if you can refresh the page. Um, the token has been changed, right? So it means the close auction would have already been called, and the next token is already put up in the live auction, right? And if bidders would want to place a bid, they can choose to place a bid from the offer section right in here, right? So yeah, in a nutshell, that's what we've built as of now. We would like to add few more features that we could thought of, right? So the upcoming features would be like uh, to be able to fetch the NFTs which are minted on different blockchains like Create Base or Mint Base and put it up in our auction house to be able to get voted by our community and then put it to live auction. Or the other could be like we also intend to add the reserve price for each of these tokens. As of now, there's only minimum bid price, but we can also add the reserve price and take it live, right? So we are also looking forward to any feedback that can come on this idea, and we would like to add those if it actually fits the bill, right? So we are open to any suggestions provided by community or any other team members as well.